Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
Semi-final 2, boys 9 years old, and Elvarez Spain has taken the lead. Number 2 is Helm, 3 Porterby, and 4 is Velasco from Spain. We have some from France. Helm from France has taken the lead. 2 spots Porterby, Great Britain, 3 spots Elvarez in Spain, 4 spots Gonzalez from Guatemala. We have Great Britain are the one, and then they're France in 2, France in 2, they're 1, Spain in 3, and then go! Then Guatemala at 4th,